1. Cooking up delicious vegetable soup. This is my mother, and her name is Mary. She is currently busy in the kitchen, where a delightful aroma fills the air. On the stove, a pot is simmering with a hearty vegetable soup. Mary is chopping fresh vegetables, such as carrots, celery, and onions, to add to the bubbling concoction. The sound of sizzling and the warmth of the kitchen suggest that the dish is nearing completion. Mary's passion for cooking is evident in the care she puts into each ingredient. I can't wait to enjoy a delicious bowl of her homemade vegetable soup. True/false questions. 1. The mother's name is Sarah. 2. Mary is in the living room. 3. The dish being cooked is vegetable soup. 4. Mary is baking a cake in the kitchen. 5. The aroma in the kitchen suggests that the dish is not nearly ready. A. Hi there. Can you tell me who the paragraph is talking about? B. The paragraph is talking about Mary, who is the narrator's mother. A. Great. What is Mary doing in the kitchen? B. Mary is busy in the kitchen, and she is chopping fresh vegetables for a vegetable soup. A. Good job. What kind of soup is Mary making? B. Mary is making a hearty vegetable soup. A. Can you name some of the vegetables Mary is chopping? B. Yes, Mary is chopping carrots, celery, and onions. A. Excellent. What does the narrator mention about the aroma in the kitchen? B. The narrator mentions that a delightful aroma fills the air in the kitchen. A. Perfect. How does the narrator describe the pot on the stove? B. The narrator says that on the stove, a pot is simmering with the hearty vegetable soup. A. Well done. What does the sound of sizzling and the warmth of the kitchen suggest? B. The sound of sizzling and the warmth of the kitchen suggest that the dish is nearing completion. A. Absolutely right. How does the narrator describe Mary's passion for cooking? B. The narrator says that Mary's passion for cooking is evident in the care she puts into each ingredient.